Bulgaria marked what officials called a historic milestone as the Navy formally accepted the BNS Hrabry, the country's first locally produced warship in over a century. Bulgarian Defense Minister Atanas Zaprianov arrived at the Varna Naval Base for the unveiling ceremony. The military band performed as flags were raised, with troops and officers marking the occasion. The BNS Hrabry, a modular multi-role patrol vessel, was built at the Dolphins shipyard over 4 years under a joint project with German shipbuilder NVL.
Години във Франция е произведен. Във Франция обаче е произведен нов кораб. След това нашите военноморски сили са използвали втора ръка кораби. Сега за първи път строим в България нов кораб, изцяло нов кораб. Така че да, това наистина е един исторически ден за нашите военноморски сили, пък аз бих казал за страната и за въоръжените ни сили като цяло.
Zaprianov said the project has already sparked interest among NATO and EU partners. For the first time, the Bulgarian Navy has a real warship with advanced capabilities such as taking on board a helicopter or unmanned aerial vehicles. The Hrabry carries the latest weapon system comparable to leading warships globally. Navy Commander Kirill Mikhailov also stressed the heightened importance of naval defense in the Black Sea region.
Съвременните условия налага към тях да се подходи по-внимателно и да се развиват все повече техните способности. Тъй като нашата най-важна и невралгична граница, бих казал днес, е Черно море.
The BNS Hrabry is expected to bolster Bulgaria's maritime defense as the country seeks to modernize its naval forces amid evolving security demands in the Black Sea region.